OPS has this pretty nice updates. New UI, colors, a lot more blocky. I like blockier designs. Speaking of blocky designs, welcome back to the development of PNG RPG. It's been a while since I've done a video on this, so let me show you what I've been working on. So the main thing I've been working on is inventory systems and a resource collection. Oh, and NPCs, but they're pretty basic right now. So if I push play... Well, actually, I just remembered something. So I added character UI names, like name tags. Unfortunately, it has my actual name on it because somehow Unreal Engine is accessing my computer information. So hold on, give me a second. I'm gonna shut that off. Quick second, let's see. Well, look who's hey, I've been streaming the last 3 days. What are you talking about, Tab? Also, happy birthday. Sorry I missed it. I was completely in a catatonic state from the weekend of working on stuff and completely spaced, like, time itself. Did you have a good birthday stream? I knew you were planning something. Where? Yeah, maybe later. Give me a second. For the last 3 months, yeah. It's interesting. I always thought like I'd have more time, and like during the summer. Nope. Okay, so I have the name tag thing here. Let me just. Let me just set this to hide in game. That's not how you do that. Unable to stream, not enough participants for the bloodbath, and no one completed the giveaway. So, oh, sorry to hear that. Cross eyes. How's the garden? So we haven't... So I had to, like, reset the game. I still plan to make the garden. I really like that design. I'm definitely putting that in there. So you've earned yourself an NPC name. You're gonna get one named after you. But right now we're just dealing... This is, like, the only structure I have currently in the game. Hold on, let me just... Yeah, I can just do this. Where's the button? Set players down to 1, and then... Where'd my... I love Unreal, but like for some reason the taskbar doesn't work with it very well. Go in here, and then... There's a way to make it... not visible. I think that one. Okay, I'm good. So my actual name's not there. First beta tested with an NPC. Yep, you're gonna get one. Alright, so. Got some basic NPCs. I have to make it so that their names aren't always showing, because it's pretty annoying. I got directional sprites working again. I just don't have the animation, so I had to use some placeholders. So he's facing forward, he's facing right, back, and left, but I don't have a left animation, so he just looks right also. We have collectible resources. So we got stone and wood currently in the game. Which then, this is my favorite thing. So this is a chest. You go up to it, push E. It makes a sound when you open it, and we have dragging inventory, so you can put it however you need. Let's see. Then we got... This took me... Pretty proud of this. So I set up the tree system, well, resource system, to be that depending on the resource, it has a certain type of amount of health. And the health is actually random, and the health is equal to the amount of stuff you get from it. Front is weird. You mean font? Oh, the front? Why, that's a power stance. What's weird about that? Ignore that he just fades to the reality. We're focusing... I like... The back really is just like the mirrored version with his face removed. But anyway, so about the trees. So you go up, hit it, and these are all just placeholder sounds, and it gives you a log. And if you hit it enough, it dies. I'll add like a falling animation. Yeah. Then, this is by far... Hold on, let me show this. This is the glitchiest thing I've ever made. This wagon. Like, it... Okay, this is a bad example. Hold on. This thing has caused more problems than anything else in the game. Like, it just is weird. Like, it should have physical collision right now, but it doesn't. Then if you try, like, hop on it, see if I can... Oh yeah, I added jump sound, so we'll have to fix that too. Yeah. Occasionally you can get it to fling you. It's been kind of fun. Also, trying to get this works server-wide is also a massive pain. I don't know why. I made everything else able to be replicated, but the stupid cart won't replicate. So, like, there's, like, technically 2 carts in the world. Constantly rolling around doing that. Just messing with everything. And it, like, desyncs stuff on the server when it bumps into it. Anyway, so yeah, we have that. We have this little enemy. I don't know what happened. He kind of broke. Like, he doesn't chase you anymore. Okay, he chases you like a foot. But like, if you just go a little bit further. Okay, way to prove me wrong, you little jerk. Okay, there we go. And then he just stops. So I'm not sure what's going on with him. His eyesight got really reduced. Let's see. So we do have... So this took me I figured this out on my own, because the video didn't specify it. But for some reason... Oh, hello. That's not creepy. Yeah, look away. For some reason, the inventory systems were connected. So I went over here and I put stuff in here. Then if I went over to here, it'd be the same inventory. Which is technically good, because that's the system I want to have for the town. Because I hate running around the town looking for stuff. So I basically want all inventory to be the same thing, but have certain ones that are actually separate. Because, like, you know, player gear, you don't want that in the town. So this would be like a player gear item. But most of the town's storage would be in this, which is a warehouse workbench. And I'm currently trying to get it to work. Like, it does the... If you look at the top left, it says server, which means I'm looking at it, it's interacting. So he can't turn. I don't know what's going on with him. He was working just fine. Because he's in the air? I guess because he's in the air. Let's lower him down. Ah, that was the problem. Let's see. Yeah, he's gonna be like level 1 enemy. Basically ender chests, yeah. Except wide range, everyone pulls out of them. Hey, buddy. Because, like, my biggest complaint about, like, mine colonies, you know, the thing I based this game off, is always running from chest to chest trying to find one block to build the colony. Well, I was just like, I just want one system. And I love the warehouse. But the problem is builders would hoard every single block. They wouldn't clear out their inventories after finishing a build. They would just keep everything in their base, and then they just get full of junk. So I wanted to build a system that's just all connected that they just pull from. So no one has actual inventory. It's basically communism, but better, and actually works. So yeah, that's what I've been working on. Currently I'm working on trying to get a health system working. So this is a basic enemy kind of hit pull, so hit it and it makes a sound. Owie, hit it enough times and it dies. So for some reason, I'm trying to apply that to other things, but it ain't working too well. I ain't sure why. Let's see. So that's what I've been working on that front. Ooh, I just remembered. I gotta show this. We got world. Where is it? Oh yeah. We have a main menu now. If I go into here, so just very basics, just like a random screenshot I took. So we have a settings tab, which does nothing because I don't have settings. We have an exit, which closes the game, and then play. So currently, play just launches you into here. Oh yeah, pretty proud of what I've got so far. Wait, I haven't even showed the character inventory. Yeah. So pick up. So I actually showed that in the last stream I did for this, and I've kind of completely changed it. Not completely, but I changed it a lot. Where if I push tab, now we have player inventory here. And I'm gonna fit this to be a bit more better. We'll have a player option here to have their name, Actually, this might be a good place to allow players to change their names. I think that'd be good. Then we'll have a little, like, UI for the character, what they look like. Then we'll have magic gadgets here, and then we'll have equipment here. And then eventually I'm gonna have to have, like, I'm debating if I want to go, like, hotbar with the tools. I'm trying to decide how I want to do that, because I don't want to go with a Minecraft set where, like, you just have, like, what is it, like, eight different weapons at all times. I kind of want to have the player have to choose between, like, two main weapons and then 2 accessory items. Then there's gonna be usable items like potions, magic stuff, the works. These are probably my favorite. I really like how this tree turned out. It's very good. Let's see. Also interesting thing. They can't really navigate stairs, the AI. They can get up this one because I extended it out. But for some reason they can't, like, let me show you. Oh, actually let me show you this. Let me go back. Worlds testing. So these green lines here, these are called a nav mesh. And they are what allow AI to move. Because it's like a little blanket everywhere where the green is where an AI can walk. That's how games handle this stuff, or at least most. These mofos can walk on the roof, which is at a steeper angle than that. And, like, okay, maybe it isn't. Is it? Wait, what the? What can I do this? Oh, I can see the individual pixels of the pixels. Oh, okay, how do I go back to normal? About right there. Okay. But yeah, it's been a pain trying to figure out how to get these guys to use. Oh, hello. Oh yeah, you're respawning here. How to get them to use the stairs? Because I should have changed the walk angle to 90 degrees, and they weren't able to go up these stairs. So there's something else going on there. Yep. Got basic house designs. We got beds that don't do anything. I did have a day and night cycle made working again, but it was very glitchy. Like, it was giving me a whole lot of errors. Like, every time I backed out, it'd be like, error, sun rotation, blah blah blah, and it was just a pain to do. If I could probably show it off. See, open level. So yeah, here's a basic day and night cycle code. So if I here and then whoop, 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 whoop. That, compile it. Bang. Shadows ain't moving. Oh yeah, that's a lot. Not going. Let's see. Okay, something's wrong here. That shouldn't be. Not sure how that would have gotten disconnected. Nope, still not working. And this is like, what, 90% of... What does it say? Loop for runtime error, accessing none, trying to read property direction. Set vector from graph. Just disconnect that again and I'll fix it later. But it was working, kind of, a little bit, sort of. Hello. Can I just walk straight up to me? I'm gonna stare into your eyes very low. Oh, okay. Never mind. So I was looking into how to make the game multiplayer, and so in Unreal, it's actually pretty easy to set it to multiplayer. You just go like that. Oh. Now, kiss. Oh, he came to kiss me again. So if we look, I have 2 windows, and that's the other player right there. So let me demonstrate. So this is a very unique thing. I as a kid always thought games were just if something was the same in one world, it would obviously be the same in the other. That's not the case. Watch this. If I go over and I start pushing these, you see how that one's over there, but in the big one it's not. And it's the only. Ugh. Yeah, see these two. This one's standing, but that one's not. So that is when. So this is actually how. I'm trying to think of how to explain this. So each game is like its own contained world, and it's just a copy of the server world. That's how multiplayer works. And if you don't have specific parameters set, things don't copy each other. Like they won't match. What's good about it's sucky to deal with because that means like everything has to be no. It's better than Minecraft. It's what Notch wishes you could make Minecraft. But well, interesting thing, so I always wondered this. Why is it so difficult to make a Minecraft server? And someone pointed out to the fact that Minecraft, even though the game is technically quite small, there is so much information that is unique to the world that you can't just open a server like you can do with most modern games now. Because there's just too much information that would have to be handled by a dedicated server. Now, I could be talking on my rear end here, but I think that's how it works. And basically, the only reason, like, easy servers like, what are they called? Realms works, is because they're already pre-built servers, already set. Unlike, like in Space Engineers, which has a ton of information, doesn't have nearly as much, and you can just open a world up to anyone immediately, which is super cool. I love it, but... So that's the thing. So this game, with Finger Stars, should be able to do that. At least that's my goal. According to what... Well, actually, no, hold on. Here's what someone explained it. Someone talked about it like this. Basically, if you want a game that can just open a world immediately, you have to pay about Steam $100 to host the server. And Steam hosts the servers for the game. I think that's actually how it works. And... Actually, hold on. Is that actually how all servers work? In that Minecraft... If Minecraft were on Steam, they could set up a system like that? Maybe. I don't know. Brain hurt just trying to think about it. But yeah, so things don't match up. In fact... Oh yeah. See, look. Cart here. Big screen. No cart. Cart here. No cart. And look what happens when I try to step on this. The player that I am is not even connected. This isn't me. I'm not real. I am merely a copy of my own instance, which means I have no value to this other player because I am a mirror image of myself. It's kind of creepy, like turning around just seeing your own face. Oh yeah, as I was saying, so the neat part about servers the neat part about worlds not being connected is that rotational direction, if you don't update it to the server, is unique to each player. So, okay, hopefully he doesn't move. See how he's back? But okay, a way to ruin the example. Okay, so big screen, he's looking, oh, now he's back, now he's front. So for me, his sprites change individually. But for the server host, which is that one over here, it doesn't change because he's not changing his perspective. That's how I'm able to get rotation. I'm going to add it to the player too, so that the players will have full rotation sprites. I'm just working on getting it filled out for the NPCs, and then I'll copy it over to the player. Yeah, that was a mouthful. Okay, I feel like there was other stuff I was doing. Go over to the open world. So, in terms of the open world game, like the actual part of the game, I'm really debating on what I want to do, because I was talking to my brother about this, and like my brother and some friends, and we were saying like, okay, why is Minecraft so successful? Like, what makes Minecraft so cool? And basically, it's the ability you have full 100% control of the world. Hey, Rodrigo, welcome to the stream. Well, what makes it unique is that like, here's like, in Minecraft, you can look at this hill over here and go, I want that hill gone, and you can flatten it yourself. I see you're having a good stream schedule. Nice, nice. It's only gonna last like this week. I don't know why, but my other job just didn't schedule me at all for this whole week, so I had time to stream. So I've been streaming regularly. But yeah, as I was saying, that's what makes Minecraft so fun, is that you can literally manipulate the entire world to be what you want. And you can do that in non-voxel games. Like, Subnautica did it for a little bit, where they had terrain manipulation. The problem is that that's way more intensive for the computer to edit and remember. Minecraft can do it because it's handled by a chunk-by-chunk basis, and apparently, I'm not sure exactly how this works. Someone could be explaining it wrong, but essentially a chunk in Minecraft all the way down is technically like one mesh. All the blocks in between is just like one mesh that gets updated every time you place a block or break a block. It just does it so fast because, well, Minecraft is like a miracle of coding, where like the amount of stuff it handles is insane. But then it just remeshes itself and becomes like a new default state. You can't really. You can. Sorry, I had to clock out of work. Are you good? So you can't really. You can do it. I have no idea how to do it in this. And terrain work is kind of difficult. Where it's a because you have to have like a tool to do it, and you're editing way more voxels. So the in-between I was thinking of is maybe going with a voxel build world, but not going blocks, but instead doing slopes. So it's kind of like, let's see if I can find an example. Minecraft. This isn't exactly the wording of it. Oh, it's called the No Cubes mod. So basically, I'd be going for something like this, so that it is actually so it's basically slope build. Yeah. So essentially, what? Look, I might be for hire and be used to solve problems as a mercenary, but we do not prefer the name Vtuber. So yeah, so basically, kind of like Minecraft, but instead of being square blocks, we go with slope blocks, essentially. Now you could make, I would like to allow there to be blocks, but here's the other problem. I really do not like Minecraft being locked in a grid system. Remove that makes Minecraft Minecraft. No, what makes Minecraft Minecraft is the mining and the crafting, not the block itself. The block was merely the artistic view of the game. Yeah, so I want to go with this because it's a much smoother look, and that's what I like. Problem is, very tiny problem. I have zero idea how to do that. Like, minuscule idea how to do this. But I'd absolutely love to have it. Because that's the thing I really want in the game, is like the full control of the world the player can have. So like, for instance, I love cave bases. In this current way it is, the only way you can have a cave base is if I, as the game dev, made a cave and made it look cool and I knew people would use it. Oh, a non-conformist rod. Refuse to conform to the blocky way. Isn't in the lines? It's a little over. Basically... So, as I was saying with like, oh yeah, without the grid. Because what limits Minecraft, now there's ways to get around it, and it's kind of its Minecraft-y charm, is if you want to build a house in a diagonal area. Mods, kill this guy. Well, basically, you have no power. I give the mods their power. He's got you there, Tat. Rodrigo, you are a mod. But basically, I want to allow the player to be able to put basically things anywhere. Like, I want messy towns that, like, you know, you can rotate the buildings however you want. Who the made such a bad decision and did that? I did. Why did I make you a mod? Oh, wait, no, I think... Did I make you a mod after you joined the Discord, insulted me, and said I can make a better Discord? So I let you do that? Then you did a wonderful job there, so I'm like, fine, I guess you're a Twitch moderator now, too. Which I would absolutely love to see you try that at, like a business or something. Like, show up to a Denny's, just start insulting the staff manager. And then just be like, no, let me show you how to make a proper burger. Get behind the stove, start, you know, cooking it up or something. And the guy's like, dang, you good. You want to be the CEO of Denny's? I guess you'd be more of a vice president at that point. I could see you doing that. Bullying your way into a high-rise apartment, living the big life. Or like, one day, like when you're trying to find like a girlfriend or something. You're just like, no, I know how to treat you right. Let me show you how to do it. Like, push the boyfriend out of the way and then just like take his girlfriend away. And me and your best of friend isn't even a mod. Well, I think you have VIP status. It says you have Prime Gaming. What the? Oh no, that's just what you get for being a Prime gamer. Wait, do you not have VIP? Hold on a second. Hold on. Hold on, I might need to rectify this. First option I see, manage suspicious user. I own this McDonald's corporation, but it comes in and puts schlong. No, please do not schlong the Ronald McDonald statue. Hold on, let me open my Twitch manager. It's been a while since I've done this. Let's see if I even remember. Let's see. I can block you. Hey, Epic! Welcome to the stream. I got 3 people today. Nice. I mean, I guess I can mod him. I don't see a way to... I'm not seeing a way to make you VIP. I could have sworn I made you VIP, though. Let's see. Stream alerts. Also, how's your day going, Epic? Goal start. Man, I need to go back through Twitch and, like, relearn everything. So much things here that I do. Oh, no, I can't. Sad. Welcome to the McDonald's. You're not just... Okay, now I'm just imagining the window attendant being like,
Welcome to the Michelin. How would you like your Michelin today?
the f- yeah, lung full of phlegm. This is what I get for sniffing E6000 glue. For all those making Spartan armor, wear thicker respirators. Gosh. I probably lowered my life expectancy another 5 years. Doing more testing and fighting training in my fighter and SE. Oh, right. I still need to make one. I haven't even looked at the rules yet for that. Hold on, give me a second. So I kind of gave my update on this. I might swap over to Space Engineers and make a atmospheric fighter now. So I've just been doing survival. I want... No, not the big nasty. I know who you're quoting, and I freaking love that D&D group. I want... He said... Do you mean the big and tasty? He's like, no. I want the big and nasty. We've got another week. It's been pushed back. Oh yeah, I saw that message from Colorado. Actually, it's open right here. Let me check the rules. Okay, must be vanilla, must be small grade, atmospheric thrusters only. Any other thruster types are banned, should look like a fighter. Seat bottom, the section cockpit must be accessible from the outside of the grid. Okay, so it's traditional, like, cockpit style. I like those. However, top and front, you have... Let's see, however, top and front have to be exposed. Reference examples. Max 25,000, PCU 100,000, max flight seats per cockpit. Scripts are allowed unless causing lag, then it's automatic. No displays, no projectors, no gravity generators, no things. Battles are in creative, so avoid using unnecessary projector blocks. Oxygen is turned off, rocket pods are allowed. It's good to have a nice looking ship. For the sake of surfers, please keep the signs. Explain this. See, number 4. This isn't exactly a rule, but more for guidelines. We want people to get creative with designs and have some fun using them. Should look like a fighter means it can look and tell that it's a fighter. It can be designed however you wish, whether it looks like a modern day fighter, historic or scientific fiction, Tactica, etc. Make it more of a guideline. Oh, I know what I'm building. I immediately know what I'm building. For this battle, we are allowing rockets, however, turrets of any kind are banned. So all manual. Okay. 6 weapons, rocket pods, Gatlings, how to be. Battles, all battles. Would be nice. Okay. Pretty simple. It choose like a fighter. I choose Mike Tyson. Oh, that'd be freaking hilarious if I build like a mech Mike Tyson. Just because of him just beast slaps the other fighter out of the sky. But yeah, so this is basically the update of the game. Ooh. Yeah, I downloaded a random... what are they called? Height map, and this is what I got, and I really like it. Oh, also, I wanted to explain this. See, I choose F-16. Oh, yeah. Well, I already have a fighter design. I'll show that off. It's a Veritech fighter from, Robotech. But, so here's how I'm thinking how I want the game to kind of work. So essentially, I want to enable 2 types of world generation, where basically, so I can't have infinite terrain like Minecraft. At least I wouldn't know how to do that. So my next idea is to do it similar to how Manor Lords does it, where it's section by section. So you'd have a section like this, or actually, like old school Oblivion, where there'd just be loading screens in between. But each direction you go is a new randomly. So this one would probably be a set one, and then there'd be about probably like a 16 of these in a box. Is what I'm thinking, and then the 16 are random, but they get harder the further you go out. OMG, I have heard the word Robotech in a long time. What type of game you making? So it's going to be a survival city builder with dungeon delving. So basically, mine colonies is my goal. I think I'll join that competition just to make it at Mike Tyson shape. Dude, if you wanna buy Space Engineers and join me, I'm full down with that. But you need a strong computer for Space Engineers. It's quite the heavy hitter. Alright, give me a second, and I'll swap over to Space Engineers.
Oh no, you didn't. Payback is a coming, you will be running forever. Oh no, you didn't. Until I get my vengeance, I will never end this mayhem. Oh no, you didn't. I'm a mercenary, you ain't got a prayer, you owe me. Oh.